Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Java Tutorials. Today we're going to be talking about arrays. So you all know what an array is. An array is pretty much a collection of elements, it's a set. So let's get this started. I'm going to define from a string, an array of strings, which would be my array equals to new string, and the length or the size of this array will hold up to 10 elements. And then underneath my array in index 0 is gonna be Diego Zidane, or whatever is the right way, and Pele. It's gonna fix the index because I messed up here. There's one way to define arrays. Another way I can do it on the go. I'm just gonna define an array of integers, and gonna name. It's gonna be 10, 20, 30, 50. So I want a simple way to print array, so I need first to import this value. We're gonna import in java.util.arrays. So now system.out.println arrays to string, and inside here my array. Oh, my arrays. Oh, my array, not my arrays. Okay, Diego, Zidane, Pelé, null, because I define already 10 spaces and I only assign 3, so I'm just gonna use 3 here to get rid of the null values. And it's correct, Diego, Zidane and Pelé. What happens if I want to alter or change this? I want to write correctly Zidane, so I would go my array index is 1 and I type correctly Zidane, and now this time we'll print Zidane correctly. Diego Zidane Pelé. Right. So this is how you define arrays. There's another way how to. If I want to find out the size of an array, so in this case it's 3, but not because I say so. I'm just gonna type my array. That's because I can read it's 3 there, but what happens if I want to find it out dynamically? So we'll just go length, and that will give me 3, the same as what it was defined earlier. Another way to print the content of an array is through a for loop. So I'm gonna do in ascending order through using their index, and descending order. The first one's gonna be in ascending order. Int I equals index 0. Index has to be less than my array dot length I has to be, yep, and well, print every single element based on their index. So let's gonna run this baby, and prints correctly Diego, Zidane, and Pelé. So this is how you print in ascending order. Now we're gonna do it in descending order. Int it's equals I my array length -1, since it's greater than equals than 0. So I'm gonna explain what's going on here. So the first number, it's to start the loop, it's 3 -1, 2, which is this index. I can be equals or greater than 0, and the loop has to go in descending order, so it has to subtract elements. So let's run this, and it's going in descending order: Pelé, Zidane, and Diego. Okay, I think this is it. So thanks very much for watching, and hope you learned something new today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.